In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Five Nights at Freddy's model into Blender. This process will show you how to bring your favorite character models into your project, allowing your creativity to flourish. Let's dive right into it. First things first, we need to get our hands on the model itself. You can begin by searching on websites like DeviantArt or Sketchfab. These platforms have extensive libraries, and you might find exactly what you're looking for. It's essential to ensure that the model is compatible with your version of Blender, especially if you're using version 2.8 or newer, as compatibility can be crucial in avoiding unnecessary issues down the line. Once you've found the perfect model, go ahead and download it. Often these files come zipped, which means you'll need to unzip them first. This can usually be done with a right-click or by using a decompression software, depending on your operating system. Once extracted, the files should be ready for the next step. Now let's move into Blender. Whether you're starting fresh or working on an existing project, the next task is to import your model. Open up Blender and steer yourself towards the top left corner of the window where you'll find the File option. Click on it and then navigate down to the Append option. Appending allows you to bring elements from other projects without overwriting your current one, which can be quite handy. The next stage is to locate your downloaded model file within your directories and double-click it. You'll then see a list of folders. If there's a collection folder available, that's usually the best place to start. If not, look out for an objects folder. What you need to do here is select the parts of the model that you're interested in bringing into Blender. You might see a variety of parts, so take a moment to gather everything you'd like, then go ahead and click Append. After importing, you might notice extra objects like lights or cameras that came along with the model. Unless you need them for your project, it's a good idea to clean these up. Simply select them and hit Delete. This keeps your workspace clutter-free and focused solely on what you need to work on. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to getting FNaF models into Blender. Now you can start animating or modifying them as you wish. With this foundational knowledge, you're well equipped to bring a variety of models into your Blender projects. Happy creating, remember to save often, and explore the innumerable possibilities Blender offers.